In an ecosystem, decomposition is an important procedure by means of which synthesized biomass is being degraded, and this decomposition process is much essential for functioning of ecosystem as well as for maintaining balance in the nature. Every organic matter or material or biomass or energy which is getting synthesized must have to be decomposed, must have to be degraded or broken down. Otherwise, heaps of biomasses will be arranged on this earth and the space will be insufficient to occupy more and more biomass. And in order to this, nature has brought this important procedure or process called decomposition. In this procedure, certain fungi, certain bacteria, especially saprophytic bacteria, as well as actinomycetes, they play an important role. Certain detritivores or detritivores, they bring about disintegration of biomass into smaller pieces, and the entire process of decomposition can be completed within 5 steps. These 5 steps mainly include fragmentation, leaching, catabolism, humidification, and mineralization. So we will take a brief account of decomposition. The process of degradation, that is breakdown of biomass into simpler inorganic substances by microbes is called decomposition. This process is much essential as it brings about disintegration of biomass and add inorganic nutrients to soil horizon. That is recycling of minerals certain detritivores like earthworm and microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and actinomycetes particularly saprobes bring about this process. The process of decomposition takes place in 5 main steps, namely fragmentation, by detritivores like earthworm. Second step is leaching. Third is catabolism. Fourth one is humification. And fifth one is mineralization. Out of these 5 steps, fragmentation, leaching and catabolism, these 3 steps, they takes place simultaneously, whereas humification and mineralization, they occur separately. The first one, fragmentation. In fragmentation, detritivore animals like earthworms, they bring about breakdown of detritus or detritus material into small pieces or fragments, and hence the name fragmentation. Earthworm brings about disintegration or breakdown of detritus matter into smaller pieces called fragments. Then these fragments, from these fragments, certain inorganic elements, they reach to the soil horizon along with the water as they are water soluble, and this process is known as leaching. Third process is catabolism. This catabolism, it is operated by means of microorganisms like saprophytic fungi, saprophytic bacteria, and actinomycetes. All these microbes, they secrete certain kind of digestive enzymes, or they bring about degradation or disintegration of complex organic energy rich biomass into their simpler forms, into their simpler elements. And this is how catabolism is completed, which is operated by the microbes like fungi, bacteria, and actinomycetes. And as a result of catabolism, complex organic energy rich compounds or compounds, they are converted into simpler inorganic nutrients. Then fourth step is humification. In the humification, a dark amorphous substance is formed, which is known as humus, and this humus, it gives fertility to the soil. It is the top layer of soil which is much productive and fertile. After humification, the humus get acted upon by microbial activity and mineralization takes place. Certain microbes, they act upon humus and convert the humus into minerals, and thus recycle the minerals in the soil horizon. This is how the entire process of decomposition takes place, and the biomass is getting converted into its simpler elements, its simpler forms, water soluble minerals, and by this process recycling of minerals takes place. In the process of recycling of minerals into the soil horizon, this is one of the important, one of the most significant process in the ecosystem, decomposition, in which mainly detritivore animals like earthworm and saprophytic microorganisms, particularly fungi, bacteria, and actinomycetes, they play a significant role, and this is how biomass is being degraded, as well as mineral pool of soil is enriched. There is recycling of minerals in the soil horizon.